Hi, today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get a junior level quant trading job at a hedge fund or a proprietary trading firm. And I came across this particular job post on LinkedIn. I thought of making a video on this, very relevant for this particular video and interesting as well. I get a number of questions from many aspiring quants who are aspiring to work in the quantitative trading area, and the questions are mostly as to, okay, how do we approach, what kind of skills, and which places to apply at, and where are these firms, and and so on. So the answers to most of these questions are there in this particular post. This is a job post by someone, and here it goes. Like, we're looking for junior, also senior quantitative traders with 2+ year experience in HFT, futures and equities are the asset classes. And it's a bit about the role and what are the skills they want, and what the locations are, and how to reach out to them, right? Everything in just 4 small paragraphs, right? That's an amazing thing about the trading profiles, that you really is very short, very concise, to the point, and you can simply understand everything about the requirement just by reading the few paragraphs, right? That's one really good thing with job profiles related to trading. Okay, so it's not just another trading job role. It's a job role that requires quantitative trading experience, and it's not for full fresher. I mean, people who are like right out of universities, maybe you can reach out to them if you're a smart trader, but just right out of university, you haven't done anything in the real world. But the requirement is that you must have 2 years of experience, and in the asset classes they are mentioned, right? And what kind of skills you need to have technically. You need to be sound in Python and C++. I've said many times on this channel, Python and C++ are by far the most popular programming languages in quantitative trading areas. You must have already worked in the proprietary trading firm or in a quant fund. So this is not purely for absolute freshers, but people who are just about starting, maybe a year or two experience, and you will be working in US or in UK, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Paris, Singapore. But the good thing is that you can apply from anywhere. You don't have to be in these locations to apply. This is also one amazing thing about trading profiles. If you get good experience in any country, you can apply at other countries, right? And there is already an email given, right? You don't have to go to the site and apply and so on. You can just simply reach out to them directly through the email, right? A lot of people are simply not eligible to apply simply because they don't have any real world experience, so they simply will be filtered out. Whereas if you really have some experience, then it's pretty simple to apply. But imagine you are absolute fresher, you have strong interest, and you have you really have something to show on your CV that you are really skilled in this particular type of work. You can also reach out to them, because even though it's a profile which is for experienced professionals, they're still hiring junior people, and it's not easy to find junior quants who have got already some previous work experience. Because if somebody has previous work experience, why would he work as a junior quant, right? You would always want to work as a senior quant then, right? So I think quant firms are looking for junior quants without any industry experience, and there's nothing wrong in applying even if you do not have experience. But you simply cannot be someone who has never done any trading, who has never written algorithms, who do not have any. If I've done even internship, right, for a couple of months, even that will count. So make sure that you have either of them. You have done some side projects, you really worked on your CV for 6 to 8 months, you have intensive experience, or you have part-time experience, or you have full-time experience for a couple. It doesn't have to be a fancy trading firm. Even if you have worked at smaller trading firms. Doesn't have to be at the big ones. Okay, even though it mentioned that it has to be a top performer quant fund, it doesn't have to be. I know people moving from local trading firms to large European and US trading firms. So that should not stop you applying at such firms. So if for someone who is absolute junior, it is beginner, I think it's always always reach out to people directly, and there's nothing wrong in just trying. Most of the times you will be rejected. Nobody will even respond to your emails. But if you try it many times, there will be chances. There will be cases when somebody will respond to you, and then be prepared to impress the guy, and then that's when you get a break. And once you enter, then there is no looking back, because that's the biggest hurdle, is to enter. Once you enter, then opportunities are everywhere, and you can explore more and more opportunities over time. And once you are experienced, then people will reach out to you. You don't have to reach out to people. So that's the beauty of working in this particular area. Well, that's with any other career, but certainly in quantitative trading.